Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of equipment for any vehicle owner, the CTEK CT5, a 12V automotive battery charger designed for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and even snowmobiles. We've included a link in the description so you can easily check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CTEK CT5? This versatile battery charger is engineered to charge and maintain 12V lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, including the popular LiFePO4 type. Whether you're looking to keep your motorcycle's battery in shape during the winter months or ensure your ATV is ready for the next adventure, the CTEK CT5 is built to handle a wide range of applications. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make the CTEK CT5 a must-have for vehicle enthusiasts. First, it prioritizes critical consumers and supplies power directly from the alternator, which is incredibly convenient for keeping your battery healthy without manual intervention. The charger operates in several modes, but two of the most important are the normal mode and the Recond mode. The normal mode is optimized for all lead-acid batteries, including AGM types, making it suitable for a variety of vehicles. On the other hand, the Recond mode is a real game-changer for anyone dealing with deeply discharged batteries. This feature gently restores and reconditions batteries that have been drained, extending their life and improving performance. Now, who is this product suitable for? The CTEK CT5 is perfect for anyone who owns a motorcycle, ATV, jet ski, or snowmobile. If you're the type of person who loves to take your toys out on the weekend but dreads the thought of a dead battery, this charger can save you from that hassle. It's also a great choice for seasonal riders, those who store their vehicles during the off-season. With the CTEK CT5, you can maintain your battery health and ensure a reliable start when you're ready to ride again. Let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine it's a chilly winter day, and you're itching to take your motorcycle out for a spin. You check your battery, only to find it's low on juice. Instead of a frustrating trip to the mechanic, simply plug in your CTEK CT5. Within a few hours, you'll have a fully charged battery, ready to get you on the road. Or, perhaps you have an ATV that you only use occasionally. Instead of worrying about whether it will start up when you decide to take it out, you can connect the CTEK CT5 every few weeks. Its smart charging technology automatically adjusts the charge to keep your battery healthy without overcharging, giving you peace of mind. Another scenario involves a snowmobile that has been sitting idle for months. The CTEK CT5 can help ensure your snowmobile's battery is in prime condition for those snowy adventures. The Recond mode can be particularly useful here, as it can breathe new life into a battery that may have been deeply discharged over the off-season. In summary, the CTEK CT5 is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly battery charger that can cater to a wide range of vehicles, ensuring that you're always ready to hit the road or the snow. It combines smart technology with practical features, making it an invaluable tool for any vehicle owner. Thanks for watching. If this